Is your Ninja Thirsti tasting weird or flowing slow? Here's what to do. There's a built-in cleaning mode most people don't know about, and if you skip it too long, your drinks will suffer. Here's how to use it properly. Step 1. Mix the cleaning solution. Fill the reservoir with 12 ounces of water and 12 ounces of white vinegar. This breaks down syrup residue and keeps the internal lines flowing clean. If you don't like the vinegar smell, I've linked a no-odor cleaning solution I use below. Does the same job without the scent. Step 2. Set the reservoir and add a 24 ounces cup. Dock the reservoir as usual, then place a 24-ounce vessel on the drip tray. The system will dispense almost the full amount during cleaning. Don't remove the cup while it runs. Step 3. Start the clean cycle. Hold both the sparkling and still buttons for 3 seconds. You'll hear a beep, and the machine will begin the cleaning process. It takes about 15 minutes. Don't press anything or open the lid during the cycle. Step 4. Rinse and flush again. After the cycle finishes, empty the cup and rinse the reservoir. Then refill with 24 ounces of clean water and run the same clean cycle again. That second round flushes out any leftover cleaner. If your Thirsti still tastes off or flow is weak, even after both cycles, there may be a clog deeper in the system. In that case, contact Ninja Support using the link in the description. If this helped restore flavor and flow to your Thirsti, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you don't love the smell of vinegar, I've linked the descaling cleaner I use below. It's quick, odor-free, and works like a charm. Thanks for watching, and clean before you sip.